Did you understand yesterday whatever we saw? Conversion of direct to indirect, identifying direct, indirect, bid rate, spread, etc. I had given you a couple of problems to solve at home, and I hope you would have solved.
मैम आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है
अभी भी? Am I audible? You know for sure कि यहाँ पे खरीद के यहाँ पे बेचा तो आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, या ये करेंसी में खरीद के वो करेंसी में कन्वर्ट करके बेचा तो आपको प्रॉफिट आएगा. But then if it is going to be a speculation is risky. It could even end up in a loss, right? Speculation, you don't know clear cut profit hai. You are buying with an anticipation that it will go up, or you're selling with an anticipation that it will fall, right? And then you can buy it back at a profitable rate. But it may also go the other way around. Speculation is risky, whereas arbitrage is a risk-free profit. So 110%, you know that if you take this deal up, you are going to end up earning profit, right? So that is what is arbitrage. So I hope you are clear. We will talk about cross-currency rates today, right? What is cross-currency rate? Cross-currency rate talks about conversion from one currency to another to find out the value of one currency in terms of the third currency. Actually, three currencies are involved here, wherein you are trying to derive a profit without risk. As I said, risk-free profit. So when I convert it from, say for example, US dollar to rupee, INR, and then sell it at Japanese yen, sell it for Japanese yen, then I will actually get a profit. See, for example, this is the example of cross currency rate, rupees per USD, right? And then USD per AUD is given to me. So now I'm going to see if it is going to be, how do I convert into the third currency? Like for example, CHF is equal to 1 USD, rupee is equal to 1 USD. So there is one common currency involved here. So I'll have to find out CHF and INR ka value. That is called as cross currency rates. Today we will do a lot of practice in this and then move on to arbitrages. Okay? In case we are through with this today, we are thoroughly learning this, then we will move on to arbitrages. Else we'll postpone arbitrage for a day or two. एक चीज हम thoroughly सीखेंगे, then we move. Can I equate this? The given problem is CHF 1.8 is equal to USD 1, rupees 49.5 is equal to USD 1. दोनों तरफ यहाँ पे देखो, दोनों इक्वेशन में USD 1 है. Can I say CHF 1.8, CHF 1.8 is equal to rupees 49.5. Can I say like this? Will it make sense if
yes
I?
ma'am.
Are you following what I'm trying to say?
Yes ma'am.
Right. So can I equate it that way? So I'm going to find out what is 1 CHF, right? So I will say CHF 1 equal to, now for calculation's sake, I will take rupees, okay? For calculation's sake, I will say 49.5 slash 1.8. So it is going to be rupees 27.5. Are you following this, all of you? Are you all following this? So now again I will do another problem, problem number 1, problem number 2. See, 1, right, is equal to rupees 78.6. 7560 ठीक है. Is equal to 01 is equal to rupees 82.6950 ठीक है. Do you understand this question now? Do you understand this question? All of you? Yes. So, before we proceed, there is one thing I want you to see in the previous problem. Please observe here. Do you want the font size to be bigger? I'll make it bigger here. You want the font size to be bigger. Okay. See, now what we had done in the previous problem was CHF is on the LHS. Just for your understanding. Okay. LHS. Now this is on the RHS. You've been given two quotations. If you see, ये दोनों दिया हुआ था, and this we had calculated. We had calculated this part, if you remember, right? This was our calculation. I will say. So when I said this was our calculation, I will say this is given. This is also given, and this was derived, correct? Just one small thing I want you to observe here is, when I had USD, I did not want USD in the required calculation. Answer में मुझे USD का जरूरत नहीं था, if you observe, correct? And answer में मुझे CHF जो LHS में था वो RHS में चाहिए था, right? Are you following? और रुपी को मुझे रुपी जो LHS में था उसको RHS में चाहिए था मुझे. Are you following, all of you? So what I did, I shifted the size, तो एक को 1 by करना चाहिए था. So let's see the same principle. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Are you all following?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? किसी को छोटा सा भी डाउट आए, please message me in the chat box. And then next problem says USD 1 is equal to 78.7560. Euro 1 is equal to 82.6950. And then Euro 1 is equal to how many USDs, right? Someone says no. For not, did you not understand